Okay, morning all, welcome to the channel GuardianHydroClean. Today we have gutters on this detached house. This drive, jet wash, treat and resand. There's some hefty weeds knocking around, but they'll come out no problem with the turbo lamps. And just quickly around this corner, this gutter is this gutter that the customer's been having problems with it overflowing. I've had the drone up. It would appear to be where the gutter goes around the chimney, where there's a bit of a blockage, but we'll get that sucked out with the gutter vac and get all the gutters done, make sure there's no falling debris, and then get onto this drive, get this drive nice and clean. It is quite slippy, some moss in between, so we'll get all that out. Drainage isn't going to be a problem, so because it's all running downhill, and these steps are quick clean. Other than that, let's get cracking. for today. Been kind of kicking my heels a little bit, see if these showers would actually go away. So gutters are done. Not a lot came out of them. They do have a broken gutter, which I've informed the client of. And pressure wash this bad boy. It's come up really well. Over the moon with it. Unfortunately, due to the rain, haven't been able to sand it, so I'm going to have to come back and sand that on a dry day. But they've actually got a light grey border, which is surprising. Steps didn't come out too bad, like I said on my intro, just a tickle with them really. Hypo's done a good job cleaning them up. So that's about it. All done and dusted for today, all packed away, even given the van a quick spritz down. So that's great. I will update this video when I get round to doing the sanding. I've got a job on tomorrow morning, so hopefully if it stays dry tomorrow I'll be able to come on tomorrow afternoon and get it done. Alright, thanks guys, speak to you soon. Okay, so we're all done. It's come up really well. I've had to leave it a couple of days until the driveway dries up so we could resand it, but it's come up really well. I'm more than happy with it. Customer is extremely happy. She's already commented that she's actually got some sparkle back in her drive, so that's really good news. We're all done. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy watching this video. It really means a lot to us, helps us out a lot with views and subscribers. So without anything else to say, that's how we do it at Guardian HydroClean, and we'll see you on the next one.